Hi, yes, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today update on treasure, treasure. So it's very simple task what they are giving today. So just come over to your treasure and just come over to your quest. And your quest you see common and followers. Just go over to the activities. You can see imposter. This is a imposter. So all what you have to do now, when you come over to this place, this is where the imposter is. But already I have the code, so there's no need of stressing myself. So just come over to imposter, come over to activities, just click on start and input the code. So now, what is the code? The code is Orig, 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 Origin, and just click check. Wow, can you see? Correct. That is very, very correct. Just click continue. And you can just wait a little. Then you see your claim button will appear here. And you are good to go. So keep watching my YouTube channel. You get all the latest updates. And there are more apps I'm going to show you. And there are more testnets I'm going to show you. So keep watching my YouTube channel because without you, there's no YouTube channel. Thank you, those that are subscribing for the new time. And those that have already subscribed, I love you all. Bless you. Good night.